The most powerful remedy to remove gallstones naturally is available in your kitchen right now. And no, it's not what you think. This powerful remedy has been used for centuries to help break up gallstones and aid in their removal. Today, we'll delve into the world of natural remedies and reveal a simple, yet highly effective solution that can help flush out those pesky gallstones without resorting to surgery. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Gallstones form when there's too much cholesterol in the bile, which is a liquid that helps digest fats. These stones can be as small as a grain of sand or as large as a golf ball. They can cause excruciating pain, especially when they move into the bile duct. Symptoms of gallstone disease include pain in the right abdomen, nausea, indigestion, and bloating. While surgery is an option to remove gallstones, many people prefer to try natural remedies first. Some of the ingredients we'll discuss today have been used for centuries to treat gallstone disease. Others are backed by modern scientific research. We'll explore both traditional uses and recent studies to give you a well-rounded understanding of how these ingredients can help break up and remove gallstones naturally. So if you or someone you know is dealing with gallstones, watch this video till the end. You may find relief right here in your kitchen. Before we dive into our main topic, it's important to understand the causes of gallstone formation. The most common cause is a diet high in cholesterol, especially from animal sources like red meat and full-fat dairy products. Rapid weight loss or prolonged fasting can also contribute. Additionally, liver dysfunction, poor digestion, and dehydration can play a role. So it's crucial to address these underlying issues alongside treating the gallstones themselves. It's also essential to be aware of the warning signs that indicate you might have gallstones. These include sharp pain after eating fatty foods, nausea or vomiting, yellowing of the skin due to jaundice and dark urine with light-colored stool. If you experience these symptoms, consult a doctor promptly. Before we continue, please take a moment to subscribe and support us. Your support means a lot and helps us keep bringing valuable content like this to you. Now let's move forward with the video. Many natural ingredients can aid in breaking up and removing gallstones. Here are some of the most effective options. Apple juice. This humble fruit juice contains malic acid, which can help soften gallstones, making them easier to pass. Drinking apple juice regularly can also improve digestion and reduce the risk of future gallstone formation. Olive oil and lemon juice combo. Olive oil has long been used for its potential benefits in dissolving gallstones. It can help stimulate the flow of bile, allowing the gallbladder to flush out stones more easily. Lemon juice contains citric acid, which can bind with cholesterol in the bile, preventing stone formation. Combining these two ingredients can create a powerful solution for breaking down gallstones. Turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the digestive system and enhance bile production. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is thought to play a significant role in dissolving gallstones. Dandelion tea. This tea made from the dandelion plant's leaves and flowers has several digestive benefits. Dandelion tea supports liver detox, stimulates bile production, and acts as a mild diuretic, which can aid in flushing out toxins and excess fluids from the body. Psyllium husk. A soluble fiber derived from the psyllium plant, it can help improve bowel movements and reduce cholesterol levels. By lowering cholesterol in the bile, psyllium husk can decrease the risk of gallstone formation and assist in passing existing stones. Apple cider vinegar. This acidic liquid can help dissolve stones when taken with warm water. Apple cider vinegar is rich in acetic acid, which can help break down gallstones and make them easier to eliminate. There are several home remedies incorporating these ingredients that can be effective in treating gallstone disease. Let's look at one simple example. Our first remedy includes apple juice, olive oil, and lemon juice. These three ingredients work synergistically to help break up and flush out gallstones. Apple juice contains malic acid, which softens the stones, while the olive oil and lemon juice combo stimulates bile flow and flushes the gallbladder. Here's a simple recipe to incorporate these ingredients into your daily routine. Take 1 cup of apple juice, preferably fresh and organic, and mix in 1 tablespoon each of olive oil and lemon juice. Stir well and drink this mixture every morning on an empty stomach for about 5 to 7 days. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before trying this or any other remedy, especially if you're taking medication. Remember, This remedy may not work immediately for everyone, and it's essential to listen to your body. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and seek medical advice. In addition to following a home remedy, certain foods can aid in dissolving gallstones. Beetroot, pears, radishes, and green leafy vegetables are excellent choices. These foods are rich in fiber, water, and essential nutrients that support liver health and aid in digestion. Whole grains such as oats and barley also contain compounds that can help break down gallstones. Additionally, fruit like apples, oranges, and grapefruits, which are high in fiber, can help prevent future stone formation. While certain foods can aid in dissolving gallstones, it's equally important to avoid specific foods that can trigger their formation or worsen symptoms. Fried and fatty foods, especially those high in saturated and trans fats, can put extra strain on the gallbladder and promote stone formation. Consuming too many full-fat dairy products can also contribute to stone development due to their high cholesterol content. Processed meats, refined sugars, and artificial sweeteners should be limited as they can cause weight gain and liver dysfunction, both of which increase the risk of gallstone formation. Additionally, drinking too much soda or caffeine can dehydrate the body, leading to concentrated bile and higher chances of stone development. By making conscious food choices, one can significantly impact their overall health and potentially reduce the risk of gallstone disease. It's essential to be aware of the signs that indicate you should seek medical attention regarding gallstone disease. If you experience severe abdominal pain, especially in the right upper quadrant, it's crucial to consult a doctor promptly. It's persistent or recurring pain could signify a more serious issue requiring medical intervention. Additionally, if the pain persists even after trying home remedies and dietary changes, it's time to seek professional help. Furthermore, if the pain is accompanied by fever and chills, it may indicate an infection that needs treatment with antibiotics. Persistent vomiting can also be a sign of a bowel obstruction caused by gallstones, requiring urgent medical attention. Lastly, if you notice yellowing of the skin or eyes due to jaundice, it could signal a blockage in the bile duct, a serious complication of gallstone disease. In such cases, prompt medical evaluation and treatment are necessary. If left untreated, gallstone disease can lead to severe complications such as pancreatitis, cholangitis, and jaundice. Therefore, seeking timely medical intervention is vital for a positive outcome. Before trying any remedy or making significant dietary changes, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. This is particularly important if you're pregnant, nursing, taking medications, or have underlying health conditions. A doctor can provide personalized advice based on your specific situation and ensure the chosen treatment is safe and effective. As well as with any health concern, staying hydrated is crucial for supporting overall well-being and aiding in the natural removal of gallstones. Drinking a sufficient amount of water daily can help thin the bile and prevent the concentration of cholesterol, reducing the risk of stone formation. Water also aids in flushing toxins from the body and supports proper kidney function. Additionally, staying hydrated can prevent dehydration, which has been linked to gallstone formation. Maintaining a low-fat, high-fiber diet can help prevent gallstone formation and aid in their elimination. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources can provide essential nutrients, while minimizing the risk of stone development. Fiber-rich foods can help regulate bowel movements and prevent cholesterol from building up in the bile. Additionally, consuming a diet low in saturated and trans fats can reduce strain on the gallbladder and promote overall digestive health. Incorporating gentle exercise into your routine can help stimulate digestion and promote the breakdown of gallstones. Activities like walking, swimming, or practicing yoga can aid in the passage of gallstones through the bile ducts. Gentle exercises can also help improve liver function and overall metabolic health, reducing the risk of future stone formation. It's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have underlying health conditions. All right, friends, that's a wrap on our video about dissolving gallstones naturally. Remember, while these remedies can be powerful, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating them into your routine. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and well.